Today we are making a refreshing cucumber salad. This one is really easy to make and it's a great addition to every lunch or dinner. I started by slicing my cucumbers and adding them to a bowl. I'm using the cucumbers with the skin on, but I'm just washing them thoroughly. If you prefer, you can also take the skin off. Next, I'm gonna slice up a couple of garlic cloves. You can also omit this if you don't like garlic, but I find that it's a really great addition. Next, I'm gonna roll up my mint and parsley, and the reason why we are doing this is that so that the herbs don't break while we cut them. I'm just gonna roughly chop them up and add them to our mixture. Next, I'm gonna use the juice of half a lemon and add that to the bowl, and add the rest of my ingredients, which is olive oil, salt, pepper, and some Greek yogurt. Once everything is added to the bowl, I'm just gonna whisk everything together and fully combine all the ingredients. You can also do a taste test and just see if there's anything you are missing, like adding a bit more salt or pepper, and then just cool it in the fridge and enjoy.